sanctuary for all.
For such a big legal hearing, the crowd outside the San Francisco court was surprisingly small. Judges called the session to discuss Donald Trump's most controversial move as president. Lawyers from his Justice Department arguing he was fully entitled to introduce an executive order banning immigration from 7 Muslim-majority countries to protect America, and insisting the courts can't block it.
This is a traditional national security judgment that is assigned to the political branches and the president, and the court's order immediately altered that.
Arguing for the 2 states who claim the ban hurts families, businesses and institutions, Washington State's Attorney General said it was important courts could review such executive orders.
It has always been the judicial branch's role to say what the law is and to serve as a check on abuses by the executive branch. That judicial role has never been more important in recent memory than it is today. But the president is asking this court to abdicate that role here, to reinstate the executive order without meaningful judicial review, and to throw this country back into chaos.
The original order brought chaotic scenes to airports across the United States as it was brought in immediately, impacting people already on their way to the US. Speaking at the White House, Donald Trump said the ban was simply about security.
I actually can't believe that we're having to fight to protect the security in a court system, to protect the security of our nation.
Tech companies have also opposed the ban, and workers from some of the firms were outside the court.
We're a very powerful industry. We can stand up to Trump. We can stand up not only against Trump, but we can stand up for what is right.
I know that tech says a lot about how it's committed to diversity. The fact that my company is willing to put their money where their mouth is really terrific to know.
Until the court makes a decision, there is no ban. People with visas can still fly into the US. If that's to change, it's now in the hands of 3 judges in San Francisco. Alan Fisher, Al Jazeera, Washington.